The other day, my guy called me and told me my strap is ready. I had to order a new strap. One of my watches, I wanted an authentic strap. So, yeah, I'm about to show y'all that in a minute, as soon as I pick it up.
All right, so first thing, take the buckle off. Take your pin out.
Okay, Rebecca just called.
Sure. There you go.
It can go through your voice.
There you go.
Yes, and just a little sedation. They know that Dr. Goldheimer's waiting for their answer, what they're going to do, so he knows what he has to have prepared. And she said, if
So we changing the buckle.
There you go. Life begins again.
So we got the new strap in. Now it's going on.
Right, and that means Dr. Goldheimer knows what to do with the 5, not the 8, so they know what to do. If they have to do a repair, if there's a tear or something, and they have to do a repair. She didn't say yet. She'll send me all the instructions. Yeah, she said Dr. Goldheimer's waiting for their report, so he knows what to do.
Showing you guys how to do a proper
I asked her that. She
strap
said
change.
He is. She said, but he does have a team, but he'll make sure his team knows what to do. If he's not going to be there, but we hope he is.
There we go. We got the new strap on.
Yeah, I do too.
Buckle, everything. This is how you guys change a strap. Courtesy of Samson Watch. Samson. My God. Some more watch care. So he's going to put some extra links inside this Rolex Submariner. Okay, here you have it. Extra links added to Rolex Submariner. Courtesy of my guy Andy over at Samson Watches. Go on SamsonWatch.com. I'm sure you can pick it up. Just mention My Watch Lifestyle. I don't know how much discount they're going to get you. But tell them I sent you. Okay, so today we showed y'all a little do-it-yourself watch care, watch repair. We showed you how to change your watch strap. We showed you how to even change your watch buckle, because those buckles can get a little tricky sometimes. As long as you get you a little spring bar too, you're cool. We also changed some links out of a watch and added some extra links, took some out. So again, these are just a lifestyle of somebody that loves watches, of My Watch Lifestyle. Holla back.